Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video, and yes, thank you to everyone that is watching my channel. Well, in today's episode, this roof must be finished. I want it I want it on top here, or on the ground level, so I can put the next level on top, and I can start with that and fixing that. So yeah, I'm actually think it will happen today. Almost everything is done. It's just to put everything together. There was I had to fix this wall, so I did. I make it longer, and then I just pasted some of the leather on the outside, and then on the inside I made the same as the rest of the dining living room area. I just moved this light up close, more up again, and on the outside I didn't finish with this little bamboo stick here, because there's now a seam here, as you can see, and I'm not very fond, and I still don't know yet what I'm going to do with the lights here on the outside. So I'm just going to leave that for now until the next floor's up, and then my lights is all there, so I can see what I'm going to do for the outside for a light. So yeah, the roof is well finished, all my lights is in place, and I just gonna have to take out the fairy lights again and start all over with that, because I was thinking the battery pack I want on the outside here, on this side of the house. Yeah, I wanted that outside, so I must rather start from this side with all the lights where the bathroom is, and move up, and whatever it's left I will put on the outside there for outside lights. This is all my lampshades. Okay, I did fix my living room lampshade that I showed you last time. I crushed it up by accident. I forgot about that, so I had to make new ones. And yeah, it's actually quite easy. This is just a round piece of a circle, also a type of balsa wood, but it's a bit harder, that you buy in packets with different sizes and in circles. So I just made a hole through the middle for the light, and then this around here is just normal, like on the tablet bottles for medicine. You get that ring, that, or even like a cool drink bottle. I put little rings on the outside, and this is from that sample blinds that I've got, and I use that for the shade. It's just sample blinds in a book. So I made it two for oh, and then of course I sprayed it cold before I put it all together. So this is now for the living and dining room area, and then this two here, this is the kitchen and the bathroom. This was actually just that little round balls you get on a roll-on deodorant bottle. I just cut it in half. Okay, the one is a bit bigger than the other one, but the bigger one I use for the kitchen light. I'm going to put in the kitchen, and then this one is for the bathroom. I'm going to use in the bathroom. And then this light here, I just made, this was just a bottle cap, like something like this, that you get on this energy drinks and that stuff. Also just I made a hole in the middle for the fairy light to go through there. Just like you can see, I someone burnt it with something I warmed up. Oh, I think I made a hole with my glue gun, actually, the point. And then this is the little beads I had it on strings, so I just folded and pasted all around that little cap, and then I just put a little Hessian type of ribbon around that. So that light is for the hallway where you go to the Lapa side, the patio. So yeah, that is all my lights. And okay, then let's get started. There you go. My second floor is on, and my lights are finished. Everything is finished. I'm so happy actually with how the things turned out at the end. I didn't put on in a switch yet for the lights, because I'm not sure where I'm going to put the lights, the battery box for the fairy lights, and then a light switch on the outside. I want to put it here somewhere on the side at the back of the house. So I just put a wire on the transformer plug, and then yeah, all my fairy lights are up and everything is good to go. So yeah, let's see how the lights is working. So this is obviously my two little lamps I've got here in the house, and then my kitchen lights. This one's here, it's for the kitchen. So like I said, even in the fridge there is lights. Oh, my fridge is empty, I must stock it up. That's all stuff I must still make, but that will be lost. And then of course the fairy lights. I think it looks quite cute. And now for the main lights. I think, voila! So there is all my lights. Oh, I am in love. I am so proud of myself, I must admit it. It was hard work, but I'm here. Okay, or maybe this one. And I think it looks beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to turn off all the battery lights now and just keep that lights on. Oh, I forgot about this one here as well. No, I remember there was another light, I just couldn't remember where. This as well. That's, so there is the electrical power in my house. So okay, the next thing I must start now is going to start with this level here. I'm going to start on the outside again, like with the ground floor. I'm going to fix all the pipers and the windows. And like I said, I'm not going to make it windows that can open. I'm going to leave it. I'm actually thinking of doing the same on the main floor as well, with the windows that open. It doesn't look so nice for me, like for instance, okay, you can't see this one now. I like this one here by the bedroom that doesn't have can open, so that I'm thinking of changing that there at the back. But yeah, first, so I'm going to fix the outside of the house again, all around, and then I'm going to start by the rooms and then fix that in as well. Like and then I will start here by the wall. This one maybe can come off here. So yeah, luckily this wall is up and to the top with the sandpaper, but this wall and then the girls' wall I'm gonna have to extend, make it longer to fit in by the rest, and here by the bathroom wall here as well. So yeah, but thanks for watching, and please press that like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more how I carry on with the house, because now I'm so excited from the beginning. I just want to carry on with the house now because I have accomplished something that I really wanted to, and it makes me just want to do more. So yeah, until next time, bye.